Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, we're talking about domain names. Your domain name is your website's unique address. It's the first step to creating your online presence, and if you've been thinking about getting a domain name but you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to register your domain name on telaHosting in just a few simple steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own domain ready to use. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to telaHosting.com. Once the homepage loads, tap on the domain tab. You will see a drop down. Click on register new domain. Now, this is where the fun part begins. Type in the domain name you want. This could be your business name, brand name, or personal name. Once you've typed it in, click on search domain. If your domain name is available, you'll see a confirmation right here, and if it's not available like this one, don't worry. You can choose from the alternative suggestions or modify yours till you get the perfect name. Once you found an available domain name you like, you can also add other desired extensions. Make sure to double check the spelling because this is exactly how your website address will appear online. After this, add to cart and checkout. You'll be taken to the domain configuration page. Here you can add a hosting plan if you don't already have one, and also select add-ons that will help your domain. Customize your name servers if you want to and click on continue. The review and checkout page comes up. Make sure your order is correct, and if it is, click checkout. At this point, you'll be asked to create an account. If you're new to telaHosting, simply fill in your details to create an account, but if you already have one, click on already registered and just log in. Select a payment method from the available options and click on complete order. You are required to fill in your card details, and you can also save your details for next time by checking the remember this card next time option. After that, proceed to pay, and that's it. You've successfully registered your domain name with telaHosting. Log into your client area and you'll see your registered domain in the domain section. Click on manage, and there it is. Congratulations, you now officially own your domain name. This is the first big step to building your website and establishing your online presence. If you need help with hosting, setting up your website, or anything else, telaHosting is always here to help. And if you have any questions or any difficulties, do well to drop them in the comments below and we'll attend to them right away. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.